Close your eyes. Bring your attention to the breath. Feel the air entering the nostrils. The chest gently rising. The belly expanding. Gently breathe out. Feel the belly softening. Chest relaxing. The air leaving the body. Focus on your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Let your whole body enter a state of ease. There is a warm golden light above you. Pure healing energy. See this light slowly pouring down over the top of your head, flowing into your scalp, nourishing every hair follicle, strengthening every strand, stimulating healthy growth, bringing shine, softness, and vitality to your hair. Relax. Keep breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. My hair is strong. My scalp is healthy. My hair grows beautifully. See the light nourishing your hair. Relax. The healing light has covered your hair. Hair is healthy, strong, and beautiful. Now let this golden light move down your face. Feel it touching your skin with warmth and renewal. Feel the light touching your skin, awakening every cell, balancing every pore. Let the light work on your skin. Every layer of skin is restoring itself naturally. Light is working on every cell of your skin. Skin is becoming clear, smooth. Skin is even toned. Feel the light on your skin. Your skin is clear, smooth, even toned, hydrated. Let the light go deeper into your skin. Skin is glowing from within. My skin is healthy and radiant. My body knows how to heal and renew. Beauty flows naturally through me. Now imagine this golden light flowing through your entire body. Healing the body, circulating health, balancing hormones, reducing stress. Relax. The golden light of healing is flowing through my hair, my skin, my body. Keep breathing. Stay in this peaceful state. There is nothing to do now. Only receive. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let the golden light continue to flow through your body. Your body is covered in golden yellow light. Allow this healing light to nourish every cell. Let it clear what no longer serves you. Let the light awaken your natural radiance. Feel your skin absorbing this healing light and becoming fresh, clear, smooth, and luminous. Let the light move through your scalp and hair, bathing every strand in vitality. This light is strengthening the roots of the hair, nourishing the follicles, bringing softness, shine, growth, and life. Simply rest as the healing happens. Keep breathing. Let the light fill your body and heal every cell. Now see yourself in the mirror. Healthy skin, bright eyes, strong, beautiful hair. Feel gratitude. Thank you for my radiant skin. Thank you for my beautiful hair. Thank you for my natural glow. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let the golden light work wonders. Stay in this state. This golden light is not separate from you.